If you've ever wanted to protect your designs or add a professional touch to your work, creating a watermark is the perfect solution. And the best part? Canva makes it super easy to do in just a few minutes. In this guide, I'll walk you through the full step-by-step process of creating your own watermark in Canva for 2025. First, start by opening Canva. You can either create a brand new design or open an existing project where you'd like to add your watermark. Once your canvas is ready, head over to the left-hand menu and click on the text tool. Select Add a text box and type in your watermark. This could be your name, brand, or even a simple phrase like sample. Now it's time to customize. Use the corner handles to resize the text and explore Canva's wide range of fonts until you find one that matches your style. You can also adjust the color to fit your brand, but here's the key. Keep it subtle. A watermark should be visible without overpowering the design. The next step is making it semi-transparent. At the top of the editor, click the transparency icon and drag the slider down until your text blends nicely with the background. This is what gives your watermark that professional, polished look. Finally, once you're happy with the result, it's time to save it. Click Share, then Download. Choose PNG as your file type and make sure to check the box for transparent background. This allows you to place your watermark on any design without a solid white box around it. And that's it. You've just created your very own watermark in Canva. Now you can easily add it to your designs, photos, or even videos to keep your brand consistent and protected. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to stick around for more quick design tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.